What's up, everybody? I'm here with my boy. Y'all, this is my boy right here, Dwayne Crocker. His show is truly Aldrin McCullough with Gospel Artist Entertainment. How does it feel to be here at the All-State Gospel Festival?
Man, it feels amazing to be here on this red carpet with these amazing, beautiful artists. I'm just grateful for this opportunity.
That's awesome, man. Now I know y'all know him as a singer. I mean, everybody knows him, Dwayne Crocker. He sings down. Are you coming out with any music anytime soon?
Man, we're getting ready to record in October. My live report. This is gonna be amazing, dude. So I want everybody to stay on the lookout for that. Keep your ears open, eyes watching. It's gonna be amazing.
That's dope. Now I know that you're working in ministry, and you know, by you being young and doing God's work, I mean, because what you're doing is amazing. Every young person out there, what advice could you give to them?
The advice that I can give to every young person out there, just stay faithful to God. Your prayer life has to be real, I mean, daily. Because you want to be connected with God so that people can feel your connection, you know what I'm saying? So just stay faithful and true to God.
Yeah. Well, you heard it from my boy, Dwayne Crocker, man. It's good seeing you. And listen, y'all make sure y'all go follow Dwayne Crocker on all your social media sites, alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once again, it's Aldrin McCullough with Gospel Artist Entertainment.